Good evening, students. I'm Govindan. I'm going to teach chemistry for you. Before entering the lessons, we'll discuss a blueprint. According to the blueprint you have to study. Then you can score very easily full marks. So for chemistry blueprint, lesson wise I'm telling you. First lesson, that means lesson number, then name of the lesson. Okay, lesson number, first lesson, that is atomic structure 2. Atomic structure 2. Then second lesson, that is a periodic classification. 3 P block elements. Fourth one, D block elements. Fifth one, F block elements. Sixth one, coordination compounds. Seventh one, nuclear chemistry. We'll discuss chapter wise. That means first 7 lessons from inorganic chemistry, then next 7 lessons from physical chemistry, the remaining 8 lessons from organic chemistry. So first we'll discuss 1 mark question, that means objective type. 1 mark question. From this inorganic part, they will ask 10 questions. From atomic structure 2, 1 mark question will come. From periodic classification, 1 mark. For P block element, from P block element, 1 mark question. From D block element, 2 1 mark question. From F block element, 2 1 mark question. Coordination compound, 1 mark question. Nuclear chemistry, 1 mark question. Altogether 10. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. So in inorganic chemistry, 10 1 mark questions. So from atomic structure 2 1 mark questions, from periodic classification 1 question, P block elements 1 question, from T block element 2 questions, from F block element 2 questions, and from coordination compound 1 question, from nuclear chemistry 1 question. These are objective questions. Very same thing. Then 3 mark question also. 3 mark question from each and every organic, inorganic, physical. From inorganic part, they will ask 7 questions. Inorganic 7 questions, organic chemistry 7 questions, physical chemistry 7 questions, altogether 21 questions. After 21, you are going to select only 15 questions. So, from atomic structure, the 3 mark part. From atomic structure, 1 3 mark. From periodic classification, 1 3 mark. From P block element, 2 3 marks. From D block element, 2 3 marks. From F block element, no 3 marks. Coordination compound, no 3 marks. From nuclear chemistry, 1 3 mark. Altogether 7 3 mark questions. 1 plus 1 2 4 6 7 questions. So out of 21 questions, 7 from inorganic chemistry. Out of 7 questions, 1 from atomic structure 2, 1 from periodic classification, then 2 questions from P block elements, 2 questions from D block elements, no 3 mark questions in F block and coordination compounds, 1 question from nuclear chemistry. This is inorganic part. Okay, then 5 mark part I will tell you finally. First we will discuss 1 mark and 3 mark part. This is inorganic. Then we are going to enter physical chemistry. Lesson number 8. Lesson number 8, that is the solid state. Solid state 2. Then solid state thermodynamics. Thermodynamics 2. Then chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. Then chemical kinetics. chemical kinetics, then 12th one surface chemistry, 13th one electrochemistry 1, 14th one electrochemistry 2. Electrochemistry 2. Now we'll discuss one more question. Here from surface chemistry is very important role. From surface chemistry we can expect 3 one mark question. 3 one mark question, and from solid state you can expect 1 mark question. From thermodynamics and equilibrium you can expect 2 questions. 2 1 mark question. From kinetics you can expect 1 question. From ONC you can expect 1 mark question. In electrochemistry 2, no 1 mark question. Altogether 10 1 mark questions. See, 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5 6 9 10. So from physical chemistry 10 1 mark question will come. Out of 10, 1 from solid state, 2 from thermodynamics, 2 from equilibrium, 1 from chemical kinetics, 3 questions from surface chemistry, 1 from electrochemistry 1. There's no 1 mark from electrochemistry 2. Likewise 3 mark question. 3 mark question from solid state 1 3 mark, from thermodynamics 1 3 mark, equilibrium 1 3 mark, chemical kinetics 2 3 mark questions, from surface chemistry 1 3 mark, from electrochemistry 1 3 mark. There is no 3 mark in EC2. Altogether 7 questions. 1 2 3 5 6 7. So out of 7, 1 from solid state, 1 from thermodynamics, 1 from equilibrium, 2 from chemical kinetics, 1 from surface chemistry, 1 from electrochemistry 1. So there is no 1 mark question as well as no 3 mark question from electrochemistry 2. Now we are going to enter in organic chemistry. Lesson number 15. The lesson is isomerism in organic compounds. Isomerism. 16 one is hydroxy derivatives. Hydroxy derivatives. 17 one is carbonyl compounds. 17 one is ethers. Isomerism, hydroxy derivatives followed by ethers. 18 is carbonyl compounds. 19 one is carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. 20th one is carboxylic acid. Then organic nitrogen compounds. Organic nitrogen compounds. 21 is biomolecules. Biomolecules. Question number lesson number 22 is a chemistry in action. Very interesting chapter. Chemistry in action. Okay. Now, one more question. Out of these 8 lessons, the ONC is occupying very important role in 1 mark question because 3 questions coming from organic nitrogen compound. All over all 22 lesson, only 2 lesson from 3 mark, 2 lesson only you can 3 1 mark questions. One is surface chemistry in a physical chemistry, another one is organic nitrogen compound. From this lesson also you can expect 3 1 mark questions. Remaining 2 lessons, so 2 to 1 mark question. That is from ethos. From ethos 2 questions. From biomolecule also 2 questions. Remaining from isomerism you can expect 1 question. Sorry, in isomerism no 1 mark question. Hydroxy derivatives 1 mark question. Carbonyl compounds 1. Carboxylic acid also 1. Then chemistry in action no questions. Altogether 10 1 mark questions. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. So how they will ask 1 mark question? From inorganic part 10 question, physical chemistry 10 1 mark question, and organic chemistry also 10 1 mark question. Altogether 30 1 mark question. Out of 30, You have to write all 30 questions. Okay. Out of 22 lessons, from 3 lessons there is no 1 mark question. Which lesson? Out of 22 lessons, only 3 lessons there is no 1 mark question. Which lesson? First one is electrochemistry 2. From electrochemistry 2 there is no 1 mark question. From next one is isomerism. From isomerism there is no 1 mark question. The last lesson chemistry in action. Okay. So for you can leave for 1 mark from these 3 lessons alone. Electrochemistry 2 and isomerism and the last lesson chemistry in action. Okay, remaining 19 lesson you have to study thoroughly for 1 mark question. According to government blueprint, only 60% of question only coming from book back. So that if you learn only the 19 lesson book back question, you can expect 16 to 18 questions. So remaining questions you have to revise the previous question papers and the government DBA book. Okay, the 10 questions. Now we are going to enter in 3 mark part. 3 mark part, isomerism 1 3 mark, hydroxy derivatives 2 3 marks, ethers no 3 mark, carbonyl compounds 1 3 mark, carboxylic acid 1 3 mark, ONC 1 3 mark, biomolecule no 3 marks, chemistry in action 1 3 mark, altogether 7 3 mark questions. 1 from 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, 1 from isomerism, 2 from hydroxy derivatives, that must be name reaction only. Then there is no question from ethers, 1 from carbonyl compounds, 1 from carboxylic acids, 1 from organic nitrogen compound, no question from biomolecules, 1 question from chemistry in action. So 7, 7, 7. Inorganic chemistry 7 lessons, physical chemistry 7 lessons, from organic chemistry also 7 lessons. Out of 21 questions, you are going to select only 15 questions. So for 3 mark part, don't select and study and all. You have to prepare all 21 questions. Then only you can attend in board exam at least 15 questions. So no need to select 15 questions alone. You have to read all the 21 questions. Now we are going to enter in a 5 mark part. Okay, for 5 mark, no, they will section A, section B, section C likewise they will give questions. Section A mean inorganic chemistry, section B mean physical chemistry, section C mean organic chemistry. From each and every part they will give 4 questions, 4 questions. That's what's the rule mean. You have to select 7 questions, but at least 2 questions from each and every section. So, section A 2 questions, section B 2 questions, section C 2 questions. Remaining 1 more question from any other section, any one section. So, any one section you are going to select 3 questions. Remaining 2 section 2 questions. That's the rule. Now, I am going to tell this one 5 mark question. The first section A. Section A. Question number 52, because first 30 question goes to 1 mark question, then 30 to 51 goes to 3 mark part. Now question number 52, question number 52 from atomic structure. Atomic structure 2. Question number 53 goes to D block elements. That only extraction part. Question number 54, and after that F block elements. Question number 55 goes to coordination compound. Coordination compound. Then section B. Section B. Question number 56 goes to thermodynamics. Question number 7 goes to chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. Question number 58 goes to kinetics. chemical kinetics. Question number 59 goes to electrochemistry 2 problem. Then section C, that is organic chemistry. Question number 60, ethos. Question number 61, that is the carbonyl compound. Carbon, that's only mechanism. Then question number 62, from carboxylic acids. Question number 63, that is chemistry in action. Okay. So each and every lesson, each and every section, 4 lessons. Out of these 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 questions, you are going to write only 7 questions. Out of these 12, you are going to write only 7 questions. Okay. You have to select which one is easy for you. According to you have to select and read itself. Then we can save time. Okay. Then we are going to enter in a 10-mark part. Okay. Now we are going to enter in 10-mark part. 10-mark question. The first question, that means question number 64. It contains A and B. Okay. The first A question for periodic classification. Periodic classification 2. B, P block elements. So, if you learn, you are going to learn periodic element, you have to learn P block also, no other way. Then only you can attend this question, question number 64. Then question number 65, A, B, A for coordination compound, B for nuclear chemistry. That's inorganic part over. Then question number 66, that is A and B. A for solid state 2. B for surface chemistry, solid state surface chemistry. Then question number 67, A and B. A goes to electrochemistry 1. B goes to electrochemistry 2. 67. Then question number 68. A and B. A goes to isomerism. B for carboxylic acid. Then question number 69, A and B. A goes to organic nitrogen compound, B goes to biomolecules. Okay, so these are the 6 questions, like 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. Out of these 6 combinations, you are going to select for board exam only 3 combinations. Okay, 3 questions only. So don't prepare only 3. You have to prepare at least 4 combinations, then only you can attend very easily. Okay. So first periodic classification P block elements, coordination compounds nuclear chemistry, solid state surface chemistry, electrochemistry 1, electrochemistry 2, isomerism carboxylic acids and ONC biomolecules. Question number 70 is compulsory question. Question number 70 is compulsory. That is the problem. Question number 70 is compulsory. That's a problem. That also choice is there. A, B. A coming from hydroxy derivatives. A from hydroxy derivatives. B from D block elements. D block elements. The choice is there. A hydroxy, B D block. Otherwise, or you are going to write next one. A, C or D. C and D. C from carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds. D from electrochemistry 1. Okay, you have choice either organic inorganic or organic physical chemistry. Okay, this is the organic meaning hydroxy derivatives, D block elements, or carbonyl compounds, electrochemistry 1. These are the chemistry blueprint. So you have to read as per blueprint, then you can score very easily full marks in chemistry.